back up. Hey everybody, it's Nana Helen again, and we're going to be doing Theme Thursday. And I have my sweet little baby here. And this living room has very good light at all. It sucks. But, I make sure you'll still see him. Here. We're going to change him into something monkey. Now, I wasn't going to do Theme Thursday because I was hurting, but I feel a little bit better. I was so dizzy earlier. I don't know what the heck was going on. But look at these little tiny socks. I picked up for him. They're little monkey socks. This light. See? Isn't it cute? Yeah, we're going to change him into this little outfit, which has monkey on it too. Yeah, isn't it cute? And then I'll show y'all what I got him from the General Dollar. Picked him up some few little tiny things. Okay. And with that little blanket with the Eeyore and stuff, it had a little pillow. Isn't that cute? I didn't know that was in there. That's so cute. So he's got a little pillow for his head. Let's see if you can get his head to turn that way so you can see him better. The little tongue gets me. The little tongue. Yeah. I just love his legs. I just love everything about him. He's just so sweet. I didn't want to have to change his. I like the outfit he has on. But he'll get another chance to wear it again. And I'll show you him, his back and stuff. It's a cute little shirt under there too. There we go. I need to get the mittens. I know it's going to be easier to get his hands into the shirt. Oh, this little guy. Let me show you his back and his tummy and all that good stuff. It's really cute. And if it doesn't show up too good here, then we will do it again. But I wanted y'all to see all of him. Except basically there's parts you can't see. Look at his little belly. Squishy. Squishy belly. Oh, look at his little head. Yeah, it's really, really, really cute. It's just like a little belly when you squeeze it. So it looks just like a little baby belly. It's a little belly button. And his back, you can see he has a little spine right there. It's so cute. See it? This little side, when you bend him, he wrinkles. See? Wrinkles up. See that? So precious. His little beauty. Let's show you little beauty. He's in there rooting that other baby. See, he'd be a beauty. He looks a real beauty. And he heavy. Heavy. 7 pounds. He feels like a lot more than 7 pounds. Did a hip. I'm so happy with him, y'all guys. He's so cute. You squeeze his little chickies. Yes, you guys squeeze your little chickies. Alright, let's get him in his little outfit. These are such little socks. Hope they fit. Not sitting very good on this couch. Look, they fit him perfect. Like that. Perfect. Perfect fit, Nathan. There, that's a little better. Here we go. Now this is still 3 months and from first impression, so I hope it's not too big on him. And I want to put that other sleeper back on him, the onesie. So, you know, fit him better. Oh, man. Let's just see how it looks without it. And then I can put it on there. Alrighty. Boy. Go. If I can get this on, it's going to be easy because it's short sleeve. Yeah. Fits in pretty good. A little loose, but other than that, it looks pretty good. Yeah, there's his little monkey on the side. Okay. There he is. He's all dressed for theme Thursday. Trying to get his head to turn. Let's see if I can get him to turn on this side. Oh. He's like, no. Yeah. Looks so cute. He looks so cute. That mad hair. Alright, let's see if I can get him a bottle and a pacifier fixed for him. I'll show you real quick. I bought him a little washcloth, which is a panda bear washcloth. Isn't that cute? I think I got these at Dollar Tree. A cute little bib. It has the sheeps and the giraffes on it and a rabbit. More little socks. Got whales on them. Another pacifier has a no problem llama. No problem. And this is just a little, I got this thrifting. And it's got glitter on it, and it holds 2 pacifiers. And Dr. Brown's. Just thought it was cute, so I grabbed it. Brought it in here. And his other little socks. And another pair of little socks. They're blue. And I'm going to get him that socks right here. All this stuff will go in his box. See if this little pacifier, this is for 0 months. Let's see if it'll fit him. See, it's pretty small. Oh yes, that fit him perfect. Look at that. Now I got some pacifier. Look. Isn't that cute? Needed to bring this down just a little bit more. Oh, it fits in there good. Bring this down just a little bit more so y'all can see him better. There we go. And he's just so cute. There we go. See that? He looks so cute with his pacifier. Little monkey. And his little monkey socks. Or theme Thursday. And he is going to be spoiled rotten. Now, let's see if this bottle will fit. Got this one fixed already. I'm going to put this lotion on it. Ointment, whatever it is. Can I have it? No, I don't want to give it up. Come on, there you go. Don't you want some milk? Don't you want some milk? Oh, look at that. Fit right in there. So there he goes. Looks so cute. There we go. Oh, he was hungry. He had a long ride and he got hungry. So, I hope y'all had a good Thursday. I know mine turned out pretty dang good. And I wanted to show y'all my new baby once more. Once I hadn't seen him yet. And I wanted to do Theme Thursday with him. And there he is for Theme Thursday. And I just love him. Oh my goodness, I love him. He's so cute. Can't get enough of him. Just can't get enough of him. Alright, you guys, I'm going to let y'all go. It's getting late. I'm going to mosey out in the garage for a little while and get some fresh air. I'm hot. And while I put him to sleep. My sister's coming to see him tomorrow. Yeah, she's coming to see me anyway, so she gets a bonus. Alright, you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. You know, he don't give me that back, boy. He gets a grip. He gets a grip. There we go. You didn't want to give that baba up. You're going to have to boop you. I have to boop you. Oh, look at that. He's so cute. Alright, guys. I'm going to talk to you guys later. And put this little boy to sleep and go sit out in the garage with my hubby. Talk to you guys later. Love every single one of you. Appreciate all my viewers and all my subscribers. And don't forget to leave me a comment below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already. I would appreciate it. And don't forget, we're all really close to be doing a giveaway. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Toodaloo.